Footsteps in a tunnel, distant crowd.
If the door won't listen,
Make the hallway proud.
make the hallway proud.
I trace maps on subway ties, plan my future miles on miles.
Every stop became a start. I pinned courage to my heart, spray paint hope on concrete gray. Watch the shadows move away.
Raise your chin, align your breath, turn the rumor of your death
Every dream they said had died
to a banner 10 feet wide. Make the walls learn our names, hear the echo take aim. Made a way quake, brass flame.
Make the walls learn our names, write the vow we became. Choirs crown the frame.
When the world says you can't,
We prove them wrong.
make the walls learn our names in song.
I carry maybe like a stone till your voice called me home.
We make courage commonplace, turn the staircase into space. Every step a sign decree, hope